Hi there guys, welcome to the Farrington channel, and in this video I'm going to be showing you guys how you can mine Ergo. So what you're going to need to do is find yourself to a pool to mine Ergo on, and in this case we're using Ergo Fly Pool. I will leave a link in the description for you just to make things easier, and then depending on which type of device you have, so in this case I'm going to be using Windows and NVIDIA, I'm going to download NBMiner. That's going to take you to the GitHub, and make sure that you download the correct one, and this is the one. And what you need to do is, assuming that you've got WinZip or 7up already installed on your computer, is just drag and drop this onto your desktop, or in my case create a new folder. Then open up that folder and open up the back file that says Start Ergo, press Edit, and this is where you're going to need to start changing things on here. So make your way back to the pool, and what we're going to need to do is copy the server, and we're also going to need the Stram port as well. So let's open this up here, paste that there, change that to 3333, then go to your choice of wallet for where you have your Ergo, and press copy, and this is the Nautilus wallet, and then go through here and change that out to your own address, and then name this to whatever you'd like. Okay, so once you've changed the choice device ID for it, or the name, either Control Save or press File and press Save. Close this off and just bring yourself back to the file. And as I said, you know, this for the first test you can happily just run that without having your settings correct, but definitely make sure you check your settings before you do this. And let's see if this works. Login successful. Okay, and as you can see there guys, we're now up and running mining Ergo. So what I'm going to do is I'll leave the video there for you guys. Make sure to drop a comment in the comment section and let us know what kind of settings you guys have got on your 3090 at the moment, and you know what kind of coins you guys are currently mining on, and if there's anything that you'd like to see a setup video for. Alright, I'll see you guys in the next one.